Hey there, Joel here and welcome to my channel Math World. Today we are going to learn another method of solving quadratic equation, and that method is called as quadratic formula. So I have a question over here which is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Okay, so what's the general equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c. Now with respect to this general equation, my value of a is 2, value of b is minus 5, please ignore the sound, and value of c is minus 3. So what I've done is I've written the general equation, and then with respect to the question that is given to me, I have found out the value of a, b and c. Always include the sign before the term, okay, or before the coefficient. So next I want you to remember is this: d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This d represents or is also said as a discriminant. Okay, then what I will do is, since I have all the values over here, let me substitute them. So this would become b is minus 5. So I'll write minus 5 over here. A is 2 and c is minus 3. Remember that whenever you are squaring a number which is negative, it will always be positive and there won't be a negative sign. Most of the time students square this number and still write a negative sign over here. So remember not to make this mistake. So this would become minus 5 square will become 25. Then what you have to do is look at all the signs over here. If, oh god, minus and minus will become plus. If there was another sign over here, then it would become minus and minus plus, plus and minus minus. So currently there are just two minus signs, so it will become plus over here. All you have to do now is multiply all these numbers. So 4 twice is 8 and 8 threes is 24. So this would become, add them and you will get 49. So let's go ahead. Next thing I want you to remember is this formula. These are important formulas. I'll just put them in a box over here. You should remember them. That is minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. So two formulas to remember while solving quadratic formula. Okay, minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. Now let us substitute the values over here. So value of b is negative 5. If you just lower this up, okay, over here. So value of b is negative 5. Root is already there. D value that I've got over here is 49. Okay, so I've written as it is, and oh man, 2 multiplied by a value is 2 over here. So I'll written that as well. If you notice closely, what I've done is this formula was once, but I've written it twice over here. Why is that? This positive and negative sign which is over here, I have to write it, it's either positive or negative, right? So one case it is positive, the other case it is negative over here. So I'll write the same values again, minus 5, 49 and 2. Let's go ahead and solve this. So this would become 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. This would become minus and minus plus 5 and plus root 49 is 7, and this also will become minus and minus plus and minus root 49 is 7. So this will become, one second. So 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12 upon 4, and this would become minus 2 upon 4. So if you can divide this, go ahead, divide, or you can leave it as it is. Do not divide it to a point that you'll find a number with a decimal point and so on. Don't do that. So here I can cancel this 4 ones and 4 3. So my answer is 3, and this will go 2 ones and 2 twice. So minus 1 upon 2. So therefore my factors are 3 and minus 1 upon 2. And let's try solving another problem, and that is 3x square minus 14x minus 5. So all I have to do is, with respect to the general equation, this will become A, this will become B, and this will become C. So I will write the formula, that is D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Let us substitute the values. I've already done that. So B is minus 14, A is 3, and C is minus 5. So minus 14 square will give me 196. Minus and minus will become plus. Multiplying these three numbers, I will get as 60. Adding this, I will get as 6, 9 plus 6 is 5, and 256. Okay, then I will go back to the next formula, which is minus B plus or minus root D upon 2A. Substitute the values, and this would become, B is minus 14, so I'll write minus 14 over here. Rest everything is the same. So let me solve this. So this would become minus and minus will become plus, and root of 256 is 16 upon 6. Now I have to write it twice, one for positive, the other one for negative. So, and go ahead and solve that afterwards. So 14 plus 16 upon 6, or 14 minus 16 upon 6. You can calculate and write down that answer in the comment section for me. And if you have understood this method of quadratic formula, you can try these problems for practice. And if you like my work, go ahead, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss out any more updates on upcoming videos. Till then, this is Joel saying bye to you. Take care. God bless you. Happy solving problems.